Hey, it's George Levy again. I want to take a quick moment to greet you from the One Blockchain Studios. This is where I do all my work. If you're a creative artist, you also probably have a workspace or someplace where you create all of your art or whatever it is that you actually create. This is where I do all my work, inside the One Blockchain Studios. I want to take a moment as you go through the course to let you know that I am here for you. And my objective is to give you a 5-star rated course for you. Let me help you in every way that I possibly can to help you create your own vision and deliver your own NFTs. So as you go through this course, I want you to remember always, if you have any questions, I'm here for you. I'm here, and all I want is your success, because when you succeed, we all benefit. You have something that no one else has, and you can bring to the world NFTs that no one else could create. So my objective through this course is to empower you to be able to create your own NFTs that you'll be able to offer to the world. And I tell you, please go through the course, use me, learn everything you can, and I will see you again inside the One Blockchain Studios at the end of the course, and I will leave you with some thoughts so that you can actually go on and grow your NFT business. Now, I'm not going to take any more of your time. We have a lot of work to do. Let's go to the next lesson.